So first let's start with the actual calculator. You can see right here I removed the battery from that small compartment. Basically you just got to snap off the back, and some of the calculators have two batteries. If there's two batteries, it'll be about 3 volts. You'll need more potatoes. This one only has one battery, so that one battery is going to be about 1.5 volts. So if we look here, this one on the side is going to be your this one right here is going to be your positive side, and it connects to this. You can see a little positive there. And then this one is going to be the negative, and if you looked underneath, you can see a negative underneath that, and I've soldered these together. This wire comes off here, and that is going to be your positive side, and this wire comes off here, and that'll be your negative. So if we look over here in the diagram, I have the same thing here. I have a positive and I have a negative, and it really is important where it goes. So the positive side is going to go to your copper, and the negative side is going to go to your zinc. So your potatoes obviously are set up like this. You have a thick copper wire, and it can't be thin. So this is a very thick copper wire. If it's not thick, you might want to use a penny to kind of add to the amount of surface area of the copper that's in the phosphoric acid. So that the battery is made by having two metals, in this case zinc and copper, and stuck in the potato in phosphoric acid, and that will give you about 0.75 volts, and I'm just rounding off there. A little note up here, don't let the two metals touch inside the potato. They're just supposed to be, the electrons are basically traveling through the phosphoric acid, and they're not supposed to actually touch each other. So the diagram works like this. Once you have it connected to your battery terminals, then your negative side is going to go to the zinc end, which means that that wire will be touched onto the first paper clip. The paper clip will be stuck inside the potato, not touching the copper wire inside. A nice thick copper wire or a penny will be jammed inside the potato next to it, maybe about a ½ inch to an inch away, and that will be your copper end. And so that copper end will travel, and it has to go into a zinc. It goes from zinc to copper, and then from copper to zinc. And so that will, it will be the same thing as putting your batteries the right direction. If you put your batteries in the wrong direction, then of course your item won't work. So this is putting them in the same direction. And then same thing here, another 7.75 volts. The wire goes to there, and then it comes out the other end, and the copper is connected to your positive. And so if I just zoom back out here, you will see the whole setup with everything you need. And that's basically all there is to it. So hopefully you have a little fun with that, and give it a whirl. It's pretty amazing, but at the same time not too hard to do. So that's electricity.